Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlet puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
na mar ka jinglong jingman jong ka jela Manipur ha ka babuon na ki pai riunget Kristan kila Shah Lehbeiñ ka jing Shah thang bat Shah penjat penpra jong ki yang mani ki skul na ka jing kan aje ben riu ha pedeng ki meitei bat ki kuki ka Conference of Religious India Lehbeiñ zone kala pelong da ka jing lang lingkot hakmat ka Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex bat penbuat sakajing Ïaid Paidbah Shah surok ba akathai Nongpoh kum kadak kajing teli bat kipat riunget Kristan ha kajela Manipur bat kiwe ki jaka jongkari India.
Today we come together to stand united to demonstrate our unwavering support and solidarity with those who are bearing the brunt of escalating injustices in our beloved nation. Our hearts ache for the countless individuals who have become victims of injustices, and we pledge our commitment to addressing these pressing concerns. From targeting violence against Christians and tribals in Manipur to relentless attacks on church personnel and institutions, the disturbing normalization of hate speeches, our country is witnessing a wave of alarming events. Today, we are going to gather in Nongpoh to be a voice for the voiceless, the advocates for justice, the agents of change. We must rise above our differences, embrace compassion, and reject hatred. It is our shared responsibility to ensure that principles of equality and justice permeate every aspect of our society. Let us march forward with determination, knowing that our collective efforts can make a difference.
Kibayadan bertalang hakani ka program ya kisitar paro iwe ngamla siu banjir kerteng ngam.
Welcome in our midst. Welcome, hearty welcome.
For banyawan snokti lang bat ni kum ka kanbon hakani kasi.
Dear person jong ka program saba itu iping ka.
Hearty welcome, welcome, we wish you. It is a joy for us to welcome you in our midst.
Today we are here to silently express and protest against what is happening in Manipur and in other parts of our beloved country. This morning I was speaking to a father who returned from Manipur last night. He told me the newspapers in Imphal is full of narrative of how a particular community is affected, and it is all because of the militants of another community, a tribal community. To dare and dare to come out of our holy dispensations and take on people who are standing for injustice. I would recommend you to read the article written in the latest Indian Currents, a letter, open letter written to the bishops, where it is said, we have been keeping silence at a national level. We need to wake up and make a stand. And I think that is exactly what Pope Francis tells in his encyclical Fratelli Tutti. Those elected government for whom even the tribals voted, it is their responsibility to make sure that they are safeguarded, and that's not what is happening in Manipur today. All the arms and ammunitions stolen from the depots are still with the people, the majority community, and the others are targeted. Their houses are burned, their documents are burned, they have nothing, they are moving towards the hills. And I think our demand should be to the government of Manipur that all those people who are affected should be given their land and property back. A peaceful atmosphere should be created where they feel safe to come back to their places. Compensation should be given to every family and persons who are affected, whose houses were burned, whose land is affected, who were, who lost their lives.
Piwan pani lani piwan ai ya kata ka ya kum kane ka program ka ba la organize dai production ka dei ka wei ka program ka ba don kam tam ha ka jing im ka jonga jong pi wei nadu kam tam mangi gibreu nadu umrat umreng mano bom dan kam ya ka jing suk paro khaj niwat ka jing suk trai ji suru wala kren hi dalade ka jing suk nga ai bat pi Henry mga mapi iwe ni mla ban long kita ki atiar jong ka jingsuk ha kumbangi lai I ba ha kane ka juk ka ba manta bun ba ki huru hura bun ba ki thma bun ba ka jing bomya de jing mut ka wei ka jai ban riu na ka wei pat ka jai ban riu bun ba ki jing huri hura ha snong ka thau ha jing stem bat kum ta ter te kane ka program ka ba la organize dai brother Sunil kala ai ke jing matoi ka bakrau hatu kata yang ngai pi we
Kristan ki badai ki kenhun barit lani ka minority bah Henry la wadladang ngilong ki minority Henry ngilap no seniang ya kari bat kajai ben riu da ki school ki hospital pat ki wei pat ki kam babha Henry don pat ki kenhun ki bape yangi da ki wei pat karukom pat ki ong ki kenno ba ki dei ki lat ki jongi ban penkelanyam lane conversion tingi yo iba hak po kar Manipur ki Kristan pat ki padar ki sestar barok ki lale bun ba ki kamba bah Henry nyo ipat menta ba kim senyaw ya kita ki kamba bah ba ki Kristan jangi kile Henry penban kila thang ki yeng mane ki jaga mane blejung ki be ki bat ha ka kerteng jong ki kam ki ba maki ba mangi ngile tingi ko ban pesnga bro ya kar sarkar ba lane ka central government ye prime minister jungi Narendra Modi ba ban pay halor ka ni gajing suk bangin yo kajing suk ban mane ya ublay bangi mane langi long Kristan langi long Hindu langi long Muslim and ngidei ki Indians ngilong ki Indians ngidon ka hok ban syong ha kane kari ban mane ya uno ublay ubang ngidon kam